The empires of the future are the empires of the mind, meaning the future essentially has always been something that arises and epitomizes and represents from and of the present in one way or another, because inevitably, ultimately, actually, the present is everything that there was, that there is, and that there ever is going to be about ourselves in the world, and also in our talent, ability, skill, knowledge, success, ambition. The present represents and epitomizes everything that we are already and that we are not already, and that we're also going to become in one way or another, with only little changes, transformations, growth, learning possible because of our ignorance, arrogance, leisure, pleasure, and attachment to basically possession, success, money, external validation, and essentially everything else that's conditional, that's removed, divorced, isolated from our control, that has not only made us stagnant but also miserable, depressed, frustrated, painful in one way or another. So the future either is essentially something that has not yet happened, that is always yet and far to come because it's far off, because it's the future, or it's also maybe something that is already here in the present, and that escapes our vision because we're not able to see it, because we always overlook, deny, refuse everything that's real, truthful, actual, wise, righteous about itself, such as the future, which is already happening, unfolding, unraveling, unwrapping itself in the present, in the form of our failure, setback, downfall, and our ignorance, shortcoming, deficiency that have not been acknowledged, approved of, basically recognized, realized by ourselves, as a result of which we're fraudulent, we're bad, we're falling apart in everything that we are and that we're attempting is not working because of the present already becoming the future, and also because of the future already being here in the present, because we deny, reject, overlook everything that does not suit and match our narrative and understanding of ourselves, to hide and cover and escape from our weaknesses, shortcomings, deficiencies, etc., only to be encountered and met with more failure, defeats, miseries, pains, frustrations, tragedies, etc. So, obviously, the future is a contradiction in itself because it's both here or it's not here in the present. Ultimately, the present is everything. So, if we just do not have growth, progress, learning in our lives already in the present, then we're not going to, or we're rarely going to have them in the future. So, the empires, the accomplishments, achievements, ambitions, successes, money, fame,